Kurumirira ngui ikoretwo igithie na mbere kaunti-ini ya Laikipia cia wici wa mahiu na gucungiriria andu guthama micini yao oro undu umwe na ekwirwo wikinaĩ aria maraikirio ngono mwena wa Mombatha. Thirikari kuhitukira ministry ya ugitiri yugite iricemba kung'ethanira na mathina maya oro undu umwe na gutigirira gutiri ugwati o wothe wa ugitiri ugumeire bururi.
We would like to have an election where not a single bullet is shot, not a single mwananchi is hurt, no one is displaced, and everyone who is able to participate in the electoral process participates peacefully and takes a decision in the governance and the management of our country.
Ni kuringana na minister wa ugitiri guku bururi-ini Fred Matiang'i uria ningi urutire mukana andu aria marahuthira nenda cia ukinyaniria gutheremia ngui rumena oro undu umwe na irumi makiria riri twerekeire githurano kinene.
But we hope that people will remain responsible. But I hasten to add, because this I must do as a responsible public servant, we are also not going to operate a laissez-faire society, where you can wake up in the morning and do as you please. You can take me very seriously when I say that.
Na mwena-ini wigie mehaririria ma githurano giukite, Matiang'i ugite thirikari ni ihariirie gutigirira ni gwatabanio githurano gia thayu na waragania.
Country is safe and sound, and we thank the Lord for it. And we are all preparing, going by the constitutional timetable for the next general election. I am certified that this time around we are even better prepared than we were in the past.
Akiari ari mwena wa Rimuru, Matiang'i ugite ni athite ma county commissioner hamwe na macibo kurutithania wira na ikundi cia muingi matura-ini ari hamwe na cia mbeu njithi niguo gutigirira thayu ni wathingatithio.
We want our administrators across the country, from assistant chiefs all the way to regional commissioners, to now begin working with community-based leadership groups. And one of the foremost community-based leadership group is youth groups, so that our youths cross over from what we have all the time been treated as the youths are the mobilization group for committing crime.
Na ciegi uteti uria ukoretwo ugithie na mbere guku bururi-ini, Matiang'i ugite thina munene uria ugumeire bururi-ini ungumania no ti maundu maria ateti makoretwo makiranira, miario yake ikionekana kurongorerio munyinyi wa mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto.
These cartels are everywhere I have been as a minister. I have confronted these people. They ask them one question: why can we do this differently? They give you the answer, which I could describe in a different adjective if I was told in a judge setup. They tell you this is how we have always done it.
Icera-ini riake kumagaritio ni atafariria mihango ya thirikari ari hamwe na Zack Kinuthia, Masi Mwangangi, David Osoni, Professor Fatima Chege hamwe na angi. Kameme TV githie na mbere na gukuguriria maria maregariura kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, njitagwo Wanjiku wa Wanjiku.